In this video, I'm going to show you how to record yourself in Reaper. Now, this is going to be a super simple tutorial, but we're gonna go step by step. So let's start with selecting the microphone you want to use. First, you want to go to up top where it says options, and you want to go to the very bottom here. You may have to press this arrow down, and you want to click on preferences. You could also press Ctrl and P on your keyboard to open up your preferences. Then in here, you can find device. It's going to be under audio over here. So scroll down, go to audio and then device. And then over here, you want to select your input and output devices. So for me here, I'm going to click and select my Yeti stereo microphone. Of course, you just want to select your microphone over here and make sure it's plugged into your computer. And if you've just plugged it in and you can't find it, just go ahead and restart your Reaper. So close down the application, reopen it, come back here, and you should be able to find it. Do the same thing for the output device. For me, I'm going to use these speakers, and then click on the apply button and then OK. Now, whenever you've done this, you are ready to actually start recording yourself. And from here, it's super straightforward. You want to click on the plus button to add a new track. And then from here, you want to click on this button to, of course, record arm over here, which means you're basically enabling this track for recording. So you want to click on that. And I'm actually going to cancel this. Here you have the monitoring. So by default, it's going to be on. So you're going to hear yourself. But if you don't want this, you can simply go and click twice and it's going to turn off, okay? Because there's three modes. There's the on mode, the auto mode, and then the third one is the off mode, which I'm on right now. From here, you then want to go and select the input. So for me, it's going to be input mono over here. This is, of course, what I've set up. So it's going to be my microphone. And you can also see that it's actually working because over here, it's going to give you kind of these lines. So if I go quiet for a second, as you can see, it went to 0, and now I'm speaking again, and it's going up, which is indicating that your microphone is actually working. Now, from here, if you want to start your recording, it's actually super simple. You simply want to go and position yourself where you want to start. So I'm going to go to the beginning of my track. And when this is enabled, you can now hit this record button over here or press Ctrl and R on your keyboard. And as you can see, there we go. The timeline is going on, this playhead is moving, and whatever I'm currently saying is being recorded, and I'm essentially recording myself. When you're done, click on this button again, and there we go. As you can see, it's going to automatically start playing the audio, and I've successfully recorded myself inside the Reaper. So that's really all there is to it. That's kind of the most basic way to record. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.